Hi guys, Miss H here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for your Music Minute. Today we are talking about the word a cappella. A cappella is really easy because all it means is singing without instruments. So if you have one singer by itself, that is a cappella. If you have two singers by themselves, that's a cappella. If you have 500 singers by themselves, it's a cappella. If you have 1,000,000 singers, it's a cappella. But if you have 1,000,000 singers and one guitar or one piano, it is not a cappella anymore. So it's singing without instruments. That's all you need to know. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Check out my other music minutes. I also have recorder videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. And remember, Meg's Music Room, a music teacher's best friend.